So there are several updates that we've applied to the front end over the last couple weeks, and I'd just like to go over those just to let you know what's new. So the new design, we brought in the alert box and also brought the hours in to the side menu. Um, and most notably, what we've done to all the designs is on the restaurant tab. And the restaurants tab, there is now a sort bar where they can sort. Normally, they're going to want to sort by fastest, so that's the first choice. If I try to sort, it's going to ask for an address. It's not going to be able to sort by fastest or fee or distance or minimum unless they give an address. So I'll just enter an address. And as soon as I do that, the restaurant list now for each restaurant has the delivery fee, the minimum, the mileage, and the estimated time for delivery on each one. So you can, when you sort, the one that you're sorting by will be highlighted, cuisine, fee, name, distance, minimum. There's also, I guess, tooltips. When you hover over the restaurants, the image that will show is whatever you have specified for their slideshow photo in the restaurant profile. And also it'll give a full description at the bottom of the photo that you have for the description of the restaurant, also in the restaurant profile. And another feature is a search feature where they can just type in here and just start typing something like CH will give me Chili's, French, I guess it matches French, and then it will give the option to create a menu that, an entire menu of just items that match the search. So I'll just type in chicken, and this will give just a menu of any menu item that matches chicken on any restaurant, according to their address. So usually, we watch what people search for, and normally it's for a specific restaurant rather than specific menu items. So, normally they would start typing CH and see Chili's and then just click it. But then they can also go down and choose the menu with just items matching their search, and they can clear it. And the sidebar has all of those features as well, just in a more condensed format. And so one thing I wanted to go over also was these delivery time estimates. So I've sorted by fastest here, and you can see that each one of these restaurants, there's 20 minutes, 25 minutes, it goes all the way down to 33 minutes, and this is just an outlier. But the system is getting, once a customer enters their address, it is getting driving directions to every single restaurant that is available to them. Using that along with what you have for your padding in the dispatch, to give an individual delivery time estimate for each one of these restaurants. So that's going to be pretty accurate. When they actually check out, that it might vary a little bit different because it's going to calculate traffic into consideration when they actually check out. These estimates that they see on the front end aren't going to include traffic because it would be cost prohibitive. You'd be paying Google a lot for every single visitor to calculate traffic for every single restaurant that they can see. So it gives a non-traffic estimate of delivery time for each one of these. And sorting by fastest will probably give them a good estimate of which restaurant would actually be fastest, according to the restaurants that are closest to them, what you have for padding, and also the quote times of each individual restaurant get factored in to these estimates that the customers see. And that's a reason why you probably want to be using the auto quotes, because when a customer comes to your site and wants to, sorts by fastest or wants to see the delivery times, if you have, this set at 20 minutes all the time, customers are gonna, they might go somewhere else if they think it's going to take too long. So the auto quote is going to get probably, in most situations, give you the most accurate, the customer's the most accurate approximation of delivery times. So we definitely would recommend keeping that on.